Hello, this video is how to use mint grass to boost poultry growth, weight and profit. This is shocking livestock benefit. You know, mint have different grass in the same family. See some of the members of the family of mint, and this is as a grass. Even St. Leaf is among the mint family, but St. Leaf is economically valuable because people use it to cook. But this particular grass, this is weed. People weed this out from their farms. It smells nice. It is a wonderful plant, and it has a lot of benefits in poultry and livestock farming that most poultry farmers don't even know at all. So that is why I decided to bring this to you, because you are not going to buy this. You only go to the bush and get it. It's not a far bush within your home. This grass grows within your home. Many farmers weed this off, but today you don't weed it off again. You are going to make use of it to boost your poultry and livestock animals. Are you having layers? Is your poultry having external lice or parasites that disturbs their head? This particular plant can help you. Do you have livestock animals that have skin problem? This particular plant is a wonderful plant to treat fungal infections and parasite infections in poultry and livestock. Are they having anything crawling on their body that disturbs them, that make them uncomfortable, that prevent them from eating well? This particular plant is going to help you to do that. Watch the plant very well. Let me show you very well so that you have an idea of how it looks like. It's almost drying because of the weather here. You can see it. Don't worry, I'm going to keep see it very well. How you identify this plant is that it has very good aromatic smell. That's wonderful. Like spices that's used for cooking. It's wonderful. In this particular video today, as I'm living, this is a simple backyard plant, mint grass. It can exploit your poultry weight gain, fight deadly bacteria, diseases, and save thousands in feed cost. It can help in feed digestion. Farmers are switching to this natural booster for fast growth, better health, and unbelievable profit margins in their business. Watch the video to the end, and I'm going to give you 10 incredible medicinal values of mint grass in poultry and livestock farming. These grasses are in different, there are many in their family. See this is one of them also. You can see this has a flower. They are all in the same family and they grow in the same environment. If you see them, they all smell nice. See one of them in the family. There are many in the family. So any of them in the family, they do the same job. The secret power of mint grass in poultry and livestock. 10 medicinal values of mint grass for better health and growth. All this you're going to learn how to prepare and apply mint grass in feed or water. The science behind the weight gain and immunity boost. How using mint grass can skyrocket your poultry farm profit and your business entirely. All this you're going to learn in this particular video. Mint grass, commonly known for its cooling, soothing scent and culinary use, is now making headlines in animal feeding, animal farming, and poultry. But here are most of the benefits it's going to help you. This humble herb holds potent biotic compounds that can transform your poultry and livestock operations from struggling to thriving well. Whether you are a beginner or expert, adding mint grass to your poultry routine, either the feed or in water, can lead to rapid weight gain, disease resistance, and even improve air quality and meat taste. Let's unlock the power of this organic super herb that every poultry farmer needs to embrace. Let's start with the 10 medicinal value of mint grass in poultry and livestock farming. 1 is natural immune promoter. Mint grass stimulates appetite and improves digestion, helping birds absorb more nutrients for faster growth and maximum weight gain. Antibacterial agent. It fights harmful gut bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella, reducing infections risks and mortality. Salmonella causes a lot of danger in poultry and livestock farming. When your poultry start drawing watery, milky watery liquids, their legs start drying, their comb start turning to ashes. This is some of the signs of E. coli and Salmonella. And they have ruffled feather, inability to eat, inability to move. Sometimes they will be squatting always. Sometimes they will be standing and sleeping. These are some of the signs of E. coli and Salmonella. Respiratory cleanser. Its strong aroma and essential oil clears airways, making it excellent for treating and preventing respiratory problems in poultry and livestock animals. Natural dewormer. The strong biotic properties of mint flushes out intestinal worms and parasites naturally, either endoparasite or ectoparasites. Stress reliever. Mint grass calms the nervous system, reducing heat stress and transport stress, key in tropical poultry farming. Immune booster. Mint grass is rich in antioxidants. Mint strengthens birds' immunity to fight common poultry diseases like coccidiosis and Newcastle disease. Anti-inflammatory benefits. It reduces internal inflammations, especially in the gut and lungs, promoting healthier organs and tissue repairs in poultry and livestock animals. Improve feed efficiency. Feed takes more than 75% of the total investment or input in poultry farming. Birds fed with mint infused feed convert feed into body weight more efficiently, reducing feed cost. So every bird that you add this mint grass, dried one, mint grass can easily be dried. You can see this one, I got this one yesterday for this particular lecture, but today it's almost dried. Upon all my effort, it can easily dry. Even if it dry, you may not, if you don't have ready machine, you can use your hand and squeeze it and mix it in the feed. That aromatic smell alone does a lot of things in your poultry and livestock birds. Natural fly and parasite repellent. Its strong smell repels external parasites like lice, tick, and flies, like mosquitoes also. In the olden days, our grandmas, they use this mint grass to scare mosquitoes from the room. What they normally do is that they bring charcoal pot, a live charcoal pot that has fire in it. They will now take this mint grass, the live one, the fresh one, and put it inside. The thing will bring out smoke. While they go outside and stay for some time, the smoke will circulate in the whole building, even in the whole environment. Any mosquito that smells that odor will run away from that environment or from that room. That's one of the advantages of mint grass. So its strong smell repairs external parasites. It enhances meat and air quality. Mint grass improves the flavor, tenderness, and overall quality of chicken meat and boosts yolk pigmentation in eggs, mostly if you have laying birds. How to use mint grass? Fresh use. As you have this quantity like this is about 200 grams. If you have your scale, you weigh it 200 grams. This 200 grams, as you gather it, pluck it and wash it thoroughly. After washing it, the next thing is to slice it. After slicing it, put it in a mortar. If you have blending machine, put it inside the blending machine, add 1 liter of water and blend it thoroughly. After blending it, bring it out, or after pounding it in the mortar with pestle, bring it out, add extra 1 liter of water, squeeze out the juice thoroughly, squeeze it well. You watch how they squeeze out juice from weeds and grasses. Squeeze out the juice and bring out that greenish color rain extract. What do you need to do? This particular cup can serve as much as 5. Put it inside their drinker, add extra water according to the number of birds you have, and feed the birds with that water. They will drink it. Do this 5 to 7 days. You're going to get amazing results. If your chicken are having lice or anything, any external parasite disturbing them, this mint grass is going to expel them completely from. If they have internal worms, this means they will eat, and before you know it, they will drop the worms. You see worms on the floor from this mint grass. It is a powerful plant. I guess it could be one of the plants they use in making some of these our deworming synthetic dewormers. 10 gram to 20 gram per liter of water. If you haven't chopped once, you can chop it into pieces and mix it with their fresh feed. Mix it thoroughly. the chicken will eat it also. You can still dry it. You can still air dry it. After gathering large quantity of it, wash them thoroughly, allow the water to rinse, then spray it on the floor, allow it to dry. Don't put it on the air, on the sun. If you put it on the sun, it's going to reduce the medicinal components and the nutritional composition also. Allow it to air dry. After air drying it, grind it. After grinding it, then mix it 2 to 5% of total feed weight with that mint grass. Mint tea also, you can still wash it thoroughly and boil it. After boiling it, allow it to get cold. After getting cold, get 10 liters of it, add extra water and feed to your birds. It's going to give you amazing results within a short period of time. Less vet costs, faster growth and quicker size, fewer mortalities or no mortality at all, low feed conversion ratio is going to be handled, and it's going to improve market value of your poultry birds. Mint grass is not just a kitchen herb. It is natural, powerful grass for a very good and smart poultry farmers and livestock farmers. Incorporating mint into their daily feed can lead to healthier animals, higher growth rate and weight, and increased production or productivity. So instead of expensive synthetic boosters, why not go green, cheap and effective natural herbs given to you by God? These are free gifts of nature that you can use, no payment. Some people will even thank you for weeding it out from their farm. You see, why not use them instead of spending huge amount of money? At the end, you start crying for money for their feed. Start using mint grass today and turn your farm into a success story. Would you like to develop a formula that you can use this mint grass, chopped one, for feed? Let me know on the comment section. Have you tried this mint species in your poultry, especially broiler? Let me know on the comment section. Do you want to use this mint grass, or do you want more explanation on this mint grass? Drop a comment on the comment section. Also, I will also answer you. If you ask me 1,000 questions, I will give you 1,001 answers on the comment section. Please restrict all your questions on the comment section. If you need our Eco Bio Booster, which is made up of over 500 plants and extract, both aloe vera, ginger, garlic, neem, many of them, they are all there. Both bitter cola, they are all there. African black pepper are there. Sombo pepper are there. All of them. Turmeric there. Thyme there. All they are there. Over 500 plants and extracts that made up of that Eco Bio Booster that boost your poultry growth and immunity fast. Give you maximum weight. You get up to 7 kg broilers, 6 kg broilers, 4 kg broilers in short period of time. Why not try it? If you need it, please. For now, the batch A is still have one container alone left. Batch B is loading, is in the process, and we have developed a very good technology for faster production. So it's going to come out quickly. In the next 1 month, the batch B will come out. So start making your payment. That price has changed automatically, because even a kg of garlic yesterday, I bought it from the market. Only one kg alone is 25,000. 1 kg of ginger is 15,000 naira. And for you to produce 5 liter, you spend more than 2 kg of garlic. Tell me how you're going to make profit, including all other spices and grasses or other things you add into to produce that Eco Bio Booster. Only if 1 kg of garlic alone is 25,000 naira, ginger 15,000 naira, and all these things are there in quantity. So how are you going to make profit? So we are going to increase the batch B price. Note that one properly well. Thank you for watching this video. Till the next video is uploaded in the next channel. Subscribe to our both channels and activate the bell notification. Thank you. Till then, for now I say bye.